Hello and welcome to HobTech Cars. It's a quick video today. I'm going to show you how to tighten the choke on an MGB. It's a pretty common problem, so the way I went about it here was to loosen the 4 bolts on the side of the center console. Next, I undid the 4 bolts on the gear lever. And I undid the screw here at the back of the armrest. Then I was able to just lift the whole armrest and gear assembly up out of the car. It's a very easy job. With that done, I was able to slide out the radio unit and center console. In most cases, what happens here is the nut at the back of the choke just becomes loose and slides down the choke line. So with the console out now, I can just slide it back up to the choke and then tighten it by removing the vents. The vents just have 2 pressure clips in their top left and they're fairly easy to remove. Then I just used a 19mm ratchet. As you can see here, it's one that I cut across with a saw so that it could fit nicely into this tight space. And then finally reassemble everything, and the choke now is solid to the dash. So that's the video for today, a nice quick one. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.